Morning everybody, we're back fishing. It's a match today. Today I'm match fishing at a new venue for match fishing for me. I made myself a member a couple of years ago, a club called Nethergreen, which is down from Norwood where we all used to go. Today is the first open match. It's nice and early, it's 6:30. They draw at 7 o'clock and fish 8 while 1. So not your usual match times, but we'll give it a go. Been down a couple of times practicing over the last few weeks. Some good F1s in here, some massive carp, but carp don't count today. It's basically a silvers match, but F1s can't, so that's his main target today. We'll see how we get on. I'll pick back up with you as I get to my peg, see what we draw. See you later, bye bye. Well, here we go guys, I've drawn peg 15, which isn't woodside, so I ain't going to get no sun all day. As you can see, I've got an overhanging tree. I've set a rig up under that tree there, it's about 3 foot deep. Got top 2 and 3 on deck. I'm going to fish 6mm pellet, and then I'm going to fish 13.5 metre towards the end of that hanging tree. Shallow on 4mm pellets I think, or I might have to switch to maggots. There's quite a few on today, I think there's 20 on this match today, all spread out. Baits, white maggots, 4mm pellets, 6mm. Got some Blake's crushed expanders, ground bait, and some micros. I'm going to start on method, just flick it out to the end of the island, see if I can catch out on there, and we'll see how we get on. I've set a jigger up in case I get them going really shallow. I've set 2 other shallow rigs up, which are these little Preston dibbers, which I like. Got one set at at 6-inch, that one. All on F1 kits. And then I've got that one set about 12-inch. That's for banded pellets. And then I've set a slow falling Preston F1 fine. I think it's a 4x10. I've got 4 number 10s sprung out down my line with a size 18 F1 pellet hook for maggot fishing. That's if I have to go to maggots. And then my deck rig. It's about, what I'd say, 4.5 foot, top 2 and 3. 4.5 to 5 foot. 1 dropper. And then I've got 3 number 8 bulk there. And I've got a size 16 Super LWG, which I'm going to fish banded pellets. I'm going to feed that line first. I'm going to put a few micros on that. I've wetted my micros a little bit just so they dropped at bottom, so I can make a little ball. And I'm going to put a few 4mm pellets in. Just like that. Ball of micros and a few 4mm pellets. Start light and see what happens. I'll say I'm going to start on method feeder, I think. See if I can pick an early fish up. We're in. Time. Let's see what happens. Put them in here. First of all, we start on method. Well, hybrid. Only put a little 20 grammer on. Not fishing far out. Put a yellow mainline 6mm wafter on. A spike on, size 16 QM1. Just going to put some of my ground bait in that. Like I say, I'm just going to plop this just past that tree. Clip that up there, I'm happy with that there. Rod rest up ready. That's it. Away we go. We'll have a cup of coffee. And we'll see if that tip goes round. The guy next to me said it's going to be hard today over here, because fish tend to go where it's sunshine, and it ain't going to shine here because we're in trees. I think we've got right depth anyway. Four and 8 foot's just right. Fed me margin line. Shallow. F1. Prime me shallow line up. few 4mm pellets. Get them shallow, laughing. Guy next to me's had one face pouring to my left, up near the lily pads. Left one. Give that another 5 minutes and then I'll try my short pole line. Let's try that short line. What, pal? Oh, Solway. Ah, they one of my customers and all. Solway Foods at Manton Wood. I think that's a carp. Not stretching that elastic like that. No chance. No, that's a carp. Face pouring carp. That's a carp. We got bloody 011 bottom on.
Quite a few lilies there, if you've got them out of it.
Yeah, that one's this one's going in them. Ain't come off. Sod's law, isn't it? That's what I wanted. Let's have a kart match, Alwyn, on here.
You know what? You just look out the match and catch, you won't catch one.
I know. You'd catch all silvers, wouldn't you?
You won't catch them.
First Burren gets the cart and let it come off.
If you gear up heavy and every time you hit the silver, you bump them up. I'm a drop.
That's an F1. Switch to 4mm pellets. You're catching F1. No, I've got some in case I need it, but I think I'll be better on 4mm. As soon as I switch from 6mm, I caught that carp on 6mm, I put a 4mm on him. Yeah, I brought some expanders just in case it's hard. Come on, you little bugger. Don't mind them that big, Alwyn. Could be. It's a lovely F1, that one. Look at that one. Beautiful fish, that. Beautiful. Well, you joined me about two and a half hour in. I've had 10 F1s, about 4 or 5 decent roach, about 8-10 ounce, and a couple of little skimmers. I caught on top 2 and 3. Had about five F1s on that and them roach. And last 40 minutes I've just had 4 pump method to end of them trees. One after other, but I ain't had one for the last 10 minutes, so they might have gone. It's where I'm pinging me 4mm pellet just to fish shallow. I've tried shallow but nothing. We're not in sun here, unfortunately. It's bloody cold here. The feet are freezing. It is. It's a tad cold. Look at that. That is a dog roach. Look at the size of that roach. Look at that for a roach. It's a great roach, that. Don't mind catching them. Trike method again. I am. The trike method again. I'll get it a rest for half an hour. Need some pellets. I went round straight away, Halloween. Straight away. Yeah, it hit bottom. But as soon as it hit bottom, it went straight round. Don't mind catching them if ones. Come on. That proper went round that one. That's what we want. Some F1s. I don't know if you can see my rod tip, but that proper flew round that one. Take a bit off that. And throw me maggot. Hey, oh, it's gone again. You like this, Alwyn?
Don't they keep rubbing it in the apple? Any other time he's got rods with sticking out and they took them out.
Beautiful little F1s, them. Catching on these small 3mm wowzers, yellow ones. So I'm catching on. Let's have a cuppa while we wait for the tip to go round. Another one come off. That's two, last two I've lost. Got another F1. Chunky these Alvin, aren't they? Chunky buggers, look at them. Got 8 belly on him. Yes, he's got 8 belly on him. That's a good 2 pound, that one. Yeah. Last 2 or 3 fish I've had on 4mm have been roach. That's not a roach. That's an F1. That's definitely an F1. Go and get round tip. Yep, just had a knock then. Yep, we've got one. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Fish on. End at match, caught a fish. Typical me. Look a left one. Well, there you go, everybody. End up match. Well, there you go, guys. End up match. I think I've had probably 13, 14 F1s, a few roach, a couple of skimmers and a perch. It's been hard. I wanted to be wet sunny so I could fish shallow. I've tried it but just no bites at all. I might have £25 but we'll see. See what happens. I'll catch you at weighing. Bye bye. £40.11 I think is that? I'll see how I win £40.
£14.11, didn't it?
£14? I thought it was 40.
Yes, we were winning it. To win.
£25 I reckon.
What you got on you?
25.
£29.8.
29.8. You take me a picture, Alwyn.
Let me just hang them on my pocket
For me,
so we don't go off.
Oh, you bugger. Can I see them?
Yeah. I'll take you two.
Got it?
Get another one. Is it dark in it in the... Just bend down a bit more. Just have a check before you put them back then.
Oops. Yeah.
Yep.
Not wrong with them.
It being dark.
What do they have? 29 what?
29.8.
Well, they are ready.
Yep.
So they wanted to play. Don't play mine.
29.8. 29.8. Well, there we go, guys. It's on the way back from match. I've ended up winning it with £29.8. Second with £23 and third with £21. And there's been quite a lot of teams waged, so it's been hard, a lot harder than everybody thought it would be. Usually 50 to £70 wins and matches, but they've just not been feeding. I just couldn't catch shallow today. I had no sun whatsoever in them trees. I'm sat there freezing my tits off, and I'm on other bank with son have sat there in shorts and vests.